how to download Fortnite on iPhone from any country. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily download Fortnite on your iPhone from any country. Stick around till the end so you don't miss anything important. Let's get started. So first, if you open up your browser, search for Fortnite, you'll see the official Fortnite website. From here, you can tap on Play Now, then choose iOS and iPad. Now, when you try to install it, you may see a message saying that based on your IP address, it looks like you're outside the supported region, such as the US or Europe. If that happens, don't worry, there's a simple trick to fix this. What we're going to do is change the App Store region on your iPhone. Go ahead and open the App Store. At the top right, tap on your profile icon. From here, tap on your Apple ID. Then go into Country or Region. Here, select United States or any supported country outside the restricted region. Once selected, tap Continue and agree to the terms. Now it will ask you for payment details and an address. For payment method, choose None. For the address, you can simply search on Google for a US address and copy and paste it here. This works perfectly fine. Once everything is filled out, tap Done. After that, go back to the App Store, search for Fortnite again. Now you'll see the Get or Install option. Tap on it, enter your Apple ID password or Face ID. Fortnite will start downloading on your iPhone. That's it. Your Fortnite will now download successfully. If this video helped you out, hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel.